Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. For today's video, I'm going somewhere. I don't know where is this place. Charot.
Every week is fashion week for me. Hell yeah.
Paano namang bawal? May mga pusa. Hi! So, andito pala ako guys sa gitna ng kawalan. Dito mag-isang naglalakad. Day off ko ngayon kaya syempre, it's day off. So, it's gala time. Mahirap maglakad pag mag-isa. Alam mo na. Pag may kasama, mas masaya. Char! I really miss vlogging. How many years I think I didn't do vlog. So, finally, I'm on my mood now. Charot. So, like what I told you, I'm here walking down the street, pretty woman, char. Medyo madilim na, kaya malakas na yung loob mag-vlog. So, ayan guys, while I'm walking the street, I found a Titanic over here. So, ayan, malaking ano ba to, barko? Nakita ko dito sa kawalan. So, ayan guys, napagod ako. So, naisipan kong bumili ng coffee sa McDonald's, magkape. Baka naman, McDonald's. So, in the middle of the night. Not in the middle of the night. It's already 6 PM. So, nakaupo dito sa kawalan. Sa gitna ng kawalan. Mura na, masarap pa ang coffee dito sa McDonald's. Kaya, try it na guys. It's a very long day guys, so it's time to go home. It's already 9 o'clock, 9:31 to be exact. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next vlog again. Bye.